Hello students, we are going to use this concept of carry numbers and non-carry numbers in the super addition. So let's understand the what are carry numbers and what are non-carry numbers. If we have two digits to be added like 3 plus 4, answer is 7. 7 plus 2, answer is 9. 8 plus 1, answer is 9. 7 plus 5, answer is 12. 8 plus 5, answer is 13. 9 plus 4, answer is 13. So, the number in which we have got 1 as 2 digit नंबर में आंसर्स है तो हम उन नंबर्स को बोलेंगे कैरी नंबर्स। और अगर हमारे दो डिजिट्स को ऐड करके हमारे पास आंसर सिंगल डिजिट में आ रहा है तो उसको हम बोलेंगे नॉन कैरी नंबर्स। Carry number, these are the carry numbers. The sum of the two digits adds up to 10 or more than. The sum is 10 or more than 10 are carry number. And if the sum is less than 10, the numbers are non-carry numbers. We will use this concept of carry numbers and non-carry numbers in the super addition.